what a REIT is starting from ground zero, is a real estate investment trust. And so it is it's an ownership structure to own real estate in. It's a tax focused structure. And so commonly you hear about REITs because they're often publicly traded. So a publicly traded REIT is like a stock. You can buy the stock, you can sell the stock. And the reason why companies form these real estate investment trusts is because you can actually not pay a dividend tax if you distribute 90% of the income of the properties inside, or of just the income produced of the underlying assets in the REIT. Don't quote me on all that stuff. I'm obviously not super well versed in public
But
equities,
more or less, that's what it's like.
nor in real estate investment trust tax law. But anyway, the structure, the reason why Cortland, our seller on this deal and on Preserve at Copperleaf, which we had acquired from Cortland as well back in May, the reason why they had owned both of those properties in a REIT structure is because their LP was a foreign entity. And so basically it made the most sense for the foreign investor to place funds in the US through this REIT structure, where they'd be able to, I guess, avoid double taxation, or at least minimize their tax burden in one way or another. So with that being said, Cortland made their lives a bit more difficult on the sales of these assets, because a lot of buyers shied away from the opportunity to purchase these deals, because you weren't actually purchasing real estate. You were purchasing a company, right? You were purchasing a corporation, a real estate investment trust. And for a lot of real estate buyers, that's just either too complex, or they've got other deals that they could be focusing on. And frankly, prior to us stepping in on both of these deals, they had multiple buyers try and fail. So it really isn't as easy as it sounds to purchase these REITs, because when you're buying a company, you're buying something that's more complex than just simply fee simple real estate ownership. And I would say principally the challenge is the fact that there's liabilities associated with purchasing a company.